So, good morning and welcome everyone. From our structure today and agenda we have short note to the exam, short note with regard to your presentation today. We're going to have a bit of course, social media monitoring, analytics, digital marketing, e-commerce in a combined window. And we will have your collected feedback in active listening, remember, after your group presentation. Note presentation. Today you were gonna have your own presentation. Excited? Yeah. So you will just feel like me talking to you just the other way around. I will listen to you actively. For all the rest mentioned last time, you will not do the popcorn mode, but do the active listening. You will give anonymous feedback to your student members, yeah? Anonymous feedback. Everyone receive, please take 3, because we are 4 groups, correct? So minus yourself, we have 3 groups, everyone's taking 3, yeah? Starting with you, please. For later, for the feedbacks, we will collect them. You see the names according to the groups. When we present, you do your notes very focused, like bullet points, but a bit more than keywords, so that others understand what you mean. It shall help the feedback. And then you will pin your feedback after each group. So it's a very fair way to give real feedback to the others. Yeah? Please note down the group and the names to whom your feedback is. Yeah? For example, Group 1, Paris, bullet point, bullet point, bullet point. Group 1, Chris, bullet point, bullet point, bullet point. All right? Good. Let's have a short introduction in the course for today in a combined way before we go to the next part. This is all they talk about, and sentiment, for those who don't know, is something like this one in visualization. So is it rather red or rather green? Or is it neutral? Easy example, imagine you have one person who says, product A is fantastic. Then this adjective will be related clearly to plus. The thing is, in real life, the words are complex and long. Yeah, and sometimes there's irony inside, and sometimes they use several ones and do not mean it in the way. Whatever related to, and they liked it, yeah? They found it as a nice, fancy thing. The goals, KPIs, effects, and some tools, so you get a bit deeper with a given short time frame we have left. Another example, a real case. Why digital marketing e-commerce helps and how you can use it and why it's $1 million deal or not deal. So it costs you or it can be beneficial for you. Why? Dell, real example. Profit, share price, customer satisfaction. Michael Dell responds with an open letter to its employees. Less blogs from others. Block yourself. Go active. Talk to your customers. Listen. That is, listen to the bad press with PR with regard to the brands and products. Listen, yeah, also to the bad things. It's nothing worse than not to react at all. KPIs. How can you measure it? With classical parameters? No. Yeah, according to literature, we don't take it offline, online, one-to-one. That would be from the classical marketing. So, what can we do then? Consequently, what do we do with the KPIs? We adapt them too. Pure impressions can be views. The TCP from former time is fans, followers, comments, retweets, backlink, sentiment, And the final online purchase recommendation, very convincing with image, video. Hey, these are my new pair of shoes. This is the room I stayed, and I'm so convinced by this because. Yeah. This is it for the course part now. We make a short break of 5 minutes. And for you, the first group, Paris, Chris, and Quan, please prepare. It's yours. And then we will collect feedback for the first group. Thank you.